Hello friends, this is Yuthika and welcome back to my channel Yuti Arts. Today we are going to paint a kite festival painting. Today's painting is going to be an abstract painting. So let's get started. I am using a palette knife to spread the colors over the canvas. I am spreading the colors randomly. There is no particular pattern I am following. Also, you can see that I have not mixed the colors properly to get a textured look. Now I will let the canvas dry completely. Using a palette knife, I am marking the strings used in flying kites. Before painting the kites, I have sketched the kites with the help of a pencil to ensure the distance between the kites as well as the size of the kites. I have used different colors to paint the kites to make it look colorful. A little more detailing in the kites, as the kites will look incomplete without this. Marking one more string with the help of a palette knife, as I felt it will enhance the painting. I am using black color to mark the horizontal and the vertical lines on the kite. finally, we have completed the abstract kite festival painting. Hope you liked the video. If yes, give it a like. You can also give your feedback in the comment section below. Also, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.